in the world of thermal management, and our value of 8.5 is a statistical outlier for an inflatable chassis. It suggests a level of conductive resistance previously reserved for heavy, four-season foam. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a thermodynamic audit of the Tensor Extreme. We analyzed its apex baffle architecture, reflective film density, and ASTM F3340/18 compliance. Consistency is a function of convective suppression. The Tensor utilizes an apex baffle design, suspending 4 layers of thermal mirror film to create stagnant air pockets that eliminate the convective loops common in standard pads. We audited the thermal mirror density. By utilizing 4 layers of specialized film, the Tensor achieves maximum radiative flux mitigation, reflecting body heat back to the user while effectively sequestering the cold of the frozen ground. We measured thermal resistance using the industry standard cold plate test. Our data confirms that the Tensor maintains its 8.5 rating by minimizing edge loss and maintaining uniform thickness across the entire longitudinal axis. We audited the noise to warmth ratio. High-performance reflective films are notoriously crinkly. However, the Tensor's internal suspension system damps the acoustic signature, providing a quiet duty cycle without compromising thermal integrity. Our audit confirms, the NEMO Tensor Extreme is fact, not friction. Its 8.5 rating is a verified achievement in material physics, providing the highest warmth to weight ratio in the 2026 market. Don't just sleep, manage the thermal transfer. In the workshop of the wild, the Tensor Extreme is the only currency that translates mass into absolute cold weather security. See the full thermodynamic logs in our 2026 winter pad rankings at hikegearguide.com. Look for the Tensor Extreme Technical Audit.